don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Ulujo.
Yeah, oqala amabhuteni ngicela iChiefs bene head coach ingabe second case no Yusuf Ndondo ngicela iChiefs bene head coach A1.
I'm a translator.
Head coach A1.
Yeah.
Okwesibini ngicela iChiefs sign star players ingasadi player because of kwathini ngicela sign star players ne star player abusuka khona.
Ayabo Marco.
Cela ube ne star player oqala kuChiefs.
Yeah.
Okwesithandi ngicela iChiefs i-development players zabo zingafiki sezihype and ngenxa sifika pha just disappoint ko Juma Mabaso namhlanje.
Flat.
Quiet. Dicela i-players esizipromote ku-development zifana noMufukengo. Ufukengo usathe standard. Dicela i-players zifana noMufukengo. Some players yabafana. Dicela i-Chiefs bafethe i-Chiefs namhlanje idlala so. Yabo i-Chiefs namhlanje izongathi yadlala. Ngomtho long balls like awuyazi iChiefs idlala njani.
Bathatha amashani.
Awuyazi idlala njani.
U-Cedric
lucky bra.
Eish. Mina damage ubani German.
Hayi andiyazi because
bayakisa
ayikho bra undayi free agent uyamdinga la mjida back uyamdinga awunayo player so eback awunayo bra
basibulala
yabo bra uyabo Junior kanye abantu bayamcriticize but uso yawuthi iyancane iChiefs bra khala kangeke abantu bayi-understand la we la ndithetha from yo kaba ngeke bayi understand la we lathi like itswembu yo brother khelela kodwa bomode basincede umodi bra
basidlisa
hayi ba big time
nabo Silva
jonga bra yabo bra ungacimba uSarino ungatsho wena uthi uSarino iganga kuChiefs isano kayo ka uChiefs but ufike iChiefs njani ndo ufike zisenza kantoni because phacho yabo iplayer ku midfield dibhene kuyo nguMabuye ujonga second half angene uMabuye bakwenzani German sina iplayer ekwazi usupport uMabuye ngqapha
German mamela ukuthi Nedbank ithi vuli loan 2000 rand to 50,000 ngayiwina back nje yawo
High scam. Loan.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by KG.
Stivo. Kunini si support le team man.
Too many years.
Kunini si support le team Stivo. Yo ngiyashwa mbafo ngiyashwa.
We are fine.
Yo ngicela ningibambe.